Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a platform that's been generating a lot of buzz in the digital experience world. We're taking an honest, no-fluff look at Contentstack. Alright, let's get into the detailed breakdown of Contentstack, pulling everything directly from Contentstack.com. Starting with the absolute basics, the site positions Contentstack as a headless CMS built for flexibility. The key terms here are API first and cloud-based. This immediately tells us that it's not your traditional website builder like WordPress or Wix. Instead, it's a back-end content management hub that delivers content via APIs to any front end you can imagine. Websites, mobile apps, smartwatches, you name it. That wraps up our honest review based on what Contentstack publicly shares. It's a powerful platform with an eye on the future, but it's crucial to understand that its strengths lie in its flexibility and vision, which come with inherent complexity. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more no-nonsense tech reviews. And let me know in the comments below, what do you think about the move toward agentic AI in content management? Is that the future or just buzz? I'll catch you in the next one.